Okay, go ahead and pray.
Wait. Dear Lord, thank you for this food. Thank you for everything. Amen.
Bless this food that we're about. It's on.
It's been on, hasn't it? Dear Lord, thank you for this food. Thank you for everything. Amen. There.
It's okay. Alright, now that's dinner. Here all week.
This is what we're going to share, Mom. And you don't get to drink out of this.
I got it on.
Okay.
One, yes. Go ahead and sit down there and eat and show them how you eat. Look, guys, we have a cucumber. Should look appealing, isn't it? So we're gonna put cucumber right there. Right there. And we got eggs on the side.
Egg? Where? Boiled?
Mm-hmm.
I like boiled eggs.
That's the water.
If y'all know me, I don't like
Please.
boiled eggs.
So we got, look what we got, guys. Yum. And we have this big, oh, if you could just see how big it is. And look at that. I can suck the gut out of it. I mean, the head.
Demonetized!
Honey, I am not monetized yet to get demonetized.
I know. I need a
Nice asawan. There is a place here in Bonneville. But I didn't cook it.
Mom, look!
That's good. Because they're expensive, guys. Yeah, it's how much is it, hon? $8 a pound. And it's expensive. Cook it for one day. Oh my god. Yeah, there is actually a paper towel. I got water for you now. Caleb, I got water right there. Is it spicy? Is it spicy? You don't know how to. Our counter,
What is wrong with
the
you?
bar, is clean. I always disinfect. Oh look, Daddy! You know how to get it out? The meat? Look at that, guys. Now, can I do that for you? Don't do it like that. Look, guys. Caleb, this is my place.
Steve!
Alright, here. Here. I'll do it for you.
Wow.
Here, this.
Yummy candy
Here, here,
corn.
here. I don't know how to get it out. You're wasteful. And it's not good now. In the
And
Philippines,
you don't know how to brush your teeth. You're
It's
gonna
okay.
brush your teeth.
probably not.
So you just said it's okay if you can brush your teeth.
Not really, but I know how to do it. Not you, you know.
It's okay for her to brush her teeth.
Mm-hmm.
And she'd be talking like,
You're a pig like me now. I heard you. You're like making a sound like a pig. I need some more ice
No, you don't.
in the soup.
You have enough.
The soup is super sweet, guys. Super duper sweet.
No, I added. It's not sweet. I added pepper in it.
Yeah, it's okay.
Stop. Eating my soup. It's my soup.
Pepper is making it spicy.
Huh?
Pepper is making it
It
spicy.
doesn't make it spicy. It doesn't make it spicy for me.
Can't believe that is done.
Can I add a little bit of salt to it?
You don't want to get
Hypothermia.
No, not hypothermia.
I'm not actually. trying.
Kidney. That's what you're gonna get when you're eating. too
No,
much.
so you're gonna get hypothermia.
Honey, hypothermia is not. Stop, Caleb.
Wait, I can get it.
No, it's not safe. It's not safe.
Well, then give me the phone. Ow. The breaking spoon. 3, 2, 1.
You still got, look, baby. Baby, stop. Look, you got all kinds of food. You ain't eating it. Look. Here, I'm going. Because it's so spicy. Look.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Pig.
Oh, careful.
These can be used as weapons.
Knock.
No wonder why I screeched.
Knock.
Stop.
No.
Alright, now you can go have a weapon.
Stop playing with food. Caleb, in the Philippines, you don't play with food. You eat them because it's not appropriate.
Oh.
Are super good and sweet, guys. The flavor is
Watch out.
in the meat. It absorbed all the spices that I put in it. Actually, Caleb don't know how to eat. Oh. I'm the one who's eating. See? I don't know if you're getting full or what, but I'm the one who's getting full.
I'm getting food.
No, you ain't.
Yes, I am.
You eat the yogurt and don't pour it in there, baby.
Why? It tastes good.
And
I'm
banana, okay? Uh-huh.
I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Please do.
I'm glad you're watching this.
I'm the only one who's doing it. I'm the only one who's speaking. You want to show your face? One. You don't want to show your face how you eat?
You know I don't like people.
I'm about to get choked.
Hey.
I would, but being fresh out of prison, I don't want nobody to me.
She's smart. She learned pretty quick.
No, she's holding it up trying to cover her head with it.
Cartoon.
See? I'm glad I did not cook all of them. Because you guys don't eat like I do.
But we're not pigs like you.
This is bad for blood pressure. If you got blood pressure.
Man, went up 18 degrees a while ago.
It kills all my plants. Don't forget to take your medicine. Did you try the potato? The egg flip over. I'm the one who's eating the egg from last night until now. I don't know if Caleb is full or what. I don't know how to eat.
What?
Caleb don't know how to eat. I'm not gonna eat the one eating. You're just over.
Guys, you can see I'm a nasty eater. But that I don't know how to eat.
I'm just behind for what? I don't know.
Calvin a little bit. Hey, stop.
I don't know if I'm gonna quit. It's just too good.
It won't become straight.
To quit. It's super good, guys. See? Oh my gosh, my blood pressure will get high. Cece's still watching TV for the meantime, guys. While I'm eating. I'm eating like a pig, guys. It's just so good to stop. The shrimps, when I cook it, all the flavor in it, that Sprite, it's just out of the world. The flavor is just, it absorbed in the meat of the shrimps and crabs. It's good. That was really, really good, guys. There's no leftover, but the soup. And that's it, guys, for today. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you will be updated.
No, here, let me say it.
I said hit the notification bell so you will be updated. Ring? How do you say
Let me
it?
say it fast.
Okay.
Subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you never miss another video. Comment,
And say
and
like.
subscribe, like,
Give
and
us
watch
a-
the video. See
Like
ya.
and thumbs up are the same.